Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm doing kind of a carrying on version of the 7 things you need to bring to uni. 7 university tips basically, and it is basically just what you need to bring with you to uni, or what I think would be useful to bring, kind of thing. So yeah, I'll link down in the comments down below the previous video, so Thursday's video, which I think was a makeup video, so be sure to check that out as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, so point number 8, and I'm gonna do them as 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, instead of 1, 2, 3, that kind of thing, because I want it to be a continuation of the previous video for the tips. So this is number 8. Number 8 is bring extra cushions, pillows, mattress covers, sheets, that kind of thing, as well as a towel. So why I'm saying this is because, one, you may never know when you want to build a pillow for it. I know, childish, but drunk people do a lot of dumb things, so you know, might as well. You might also get cold in the winter. You want to have more blankets in case you get cold. But also, if you have a friend staying over, you don't want them to just sleep on the floor. Bring extra pillows, blankets, sheets for in case you spill something as well. I spilled a berry WKD or VK, one of them, on my sheet, and had to put my sheet in the wash. And it was quite late at night, so I had to use another sheet for my bed. So yeah, bringing extra pillows, blankets, sheets, and a towel, because you never know when you might need to do your laundry, you know? Number 9, storage boxes. Just storage boxes overall. Preferably though, it would be storage boxes that would fit under your new bed / your university bed, because at university you only really get a wardrobe, something kind of like this. You only get one of them, and you don't get this, you just get one of those, a bed, a table to work on, and a chair, and some bookshelves. So if you have a lot of clothes or shoes, it might be really useful to bring some storage boxes for you to put in the stuff that you're not using / you want to use at a later date, but you're not going to use now, kind of thing, as well as just overall for storage, really, because you really don't get a lot of space. And I have a lot of clothes. My clothes would not fit in just one of those, but then again, for when you get that, you get one half for the hangers, and then the other half, at least for my university, is split into like shelves, where you can place your clothes that you don't need to be hanged. But this is full of hanged clothes, and it has like stuff that is like more than one thing on the hanger as well. And this is full as well. This one is full of stuff that I'm not using at the moment, or things that are like I want to sell and stuff. So yeah, number 9, bring storage boxes. Number 10, the previous point, number 9, leads perfectly to this one. Bring a lot of hangers, because as I said, you do only get one half of this, but also if you have stuff like dresses or tuxedos or button-up shirts, that kind of thing, you do get an ironing board and an iron. But I think throughout all of my first year, possibly even second year together, I ironed like 2 things, and one of them wasn't even mine. So yeah, bring a lot of hangers, because then you don't have to iron, you don't have to learn how to iron, you don't have to worry about burning something because you left the iron on for too long. So yeah, number 10, bring a lot of hangers. Number 11, change, like money, like pounds, 50 pence, 20 pence, 10 pence. I'm saying this because it's mainly for the washing machines. I was told by Ollie that the machines now work on like a phone system or like a card system, but I'm not sure how that works. So I'm definitely gonna be bringing money with me, like change with me, because in first year it was I think it was like 260 for washing and two something. I think it was 250 or something like that for drying. So bring some change just in case. There might be a lot of cake sales or charity events, fundraisers around the university, especially for when societies are fundraising. So it's also a good thing to have change around you, on you, when you're walking through the university at some point, just to be able to get a cake or give to charity, but also for washing, primarily for washing. So yeah, that's 11. Number 12 is kitchen stuff. So I mean like plates, bowls, mugs, especially recyclable mugs, because at my university at least, you get a discount for using your own cup or a recyclable cup. So I think you get like 10 or 20 pence off, which I know doesn't seem like a lot, but if you're buying, let's say you're getting 5 coffees a week at the university, that's already like 50 pence to a pound saved. So definitely worth bringing your own cup. But yeah, I think I mainly mean like plates and bowls, just in case you get like, I don't know, fruit. Oh, and maybe like knives, forks and spoons, just in case you get like, buy some fruit and you want to cut it up for a fruit salad, or you buy ice cream and you don't want to eat it all, so you just want to scoop some into a bowl and eat that. So yeah, number 12 is kitchen stuff. Number 13 is more of a, not a bring thing, but more of a plan thing. So number 13 is plan for your room type. You might not know what your room is going to look like fully, because we can't visit them, and if you haven't done I don't know, a tour, even a virtual tour of your uni rooms, uni accommodation, you might not know what your room looks like, your future room looks like. I'm sure you can get some photos or videos from people who go to your uni who have lived in said accommodation before, because I, for example, have a video. I think I might actually have like 3 videos of my first year accommodation room. So if someone was looking to see like what rooms in that accommodation looks like, I could send them the videos and just be like, hey, so this is more like a video I did, but you get to see what the room looks like, especially my moving in tour in the first year. But yeah, it's just basically plan for your room, because honestly it might be better to know what you're dealing with when you want to bring, especially if you want to bring like storage boxes, or if you want to bring a bedside table. Like I'm gonna bring a bedside table with me, but I know that like most of these rooms are big enough for me to bring a bedside table in with. So yeah, even if you can get a photo of someone of a room from that accommodation, not the exact room, but from that accommodation, you might be able to plan better to see if you can bring a bedside table or storage boxes or a full-length mirror, that kind of thing. So yeah, number 14 is bring your TV, bring your games like PlayStation, Xboxes, consoles, games like Uno or Cards Against Humanity. Yeah, like your TV, like I'm gonna bring my Xbox with me and my TV, which is like over there. I'm gonna bring my TV and my Xbox with me. I also have some Uno cards, and I want to buy Cards Against Humanity cards as well. The first two, so like the Xbox and the TV, are better for like myself when I want to be alone, when I'm in my room, when it's cold. I can watch movies, I can play games. I'm currently playing Overwatch, which is pretty much the only thing I'm playing. So the TV and the Xbox, the PlayStation, whatever console you have, is for you mostly. or you can have movie nights with your friends on your TV as well. The Uno and the Cards Against Humanity is best for when you're with your friends or flatmates. I know a lot of people at university play Uno and play Cards Against Humanity when they're hanging out with their friends, their flatmates, or when they're drinking, because honestly they're still great drinking games as well. You can even make them drinking games. So obviously if you're 18 and above, which you would be at university, you can make Cards Against Humanity. Whoever's card gets picked has to take a shot, or for Uno there's specific rules for drinking Uno as well. So yeah, that was the final one. So a quick run through. I have my laptop here. So a quick run through of the 7. Bring extra cushions, pillows, towels, that kind of thing. Bring underbed storage boxes, or just storage boxes overall, as well as bring a lot of hangers, but plan for your room type that you can bring all of these things. A bag of change, kitchen stuff, and TV, Xboxes, any console games. So yeah, this was mainly a what to bring video, apart from the plan what to bring, which I feel like should have been the first point of the list, like in the first video. Just plan for your room type. But yeah, as I said, it's very easy to do that. Just think of your room being really small. It's definitely going to be smaller than this room that I have right now. It would definitely not comfortably fit 2 of these, 1 of these. I have 2 bedside tables and I think it's like a queen size bed, something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any more tips that you think I should include. I do think I only have a few left, and then I have to write up some more for the next video. But I do also have other kind of tip videos, I think, as well. So yeah, in a few weeks time I will be releasing a health related video. So yeah, if that's something you enjoy, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get my notification when that comes out as well. And yeah, whatever you do, do it with passion.